Bullish BitTorrent cost expectations range somewhere in the range of $0 2030. Market experts accept BTT could reach $0 2025. Bearish BitTorrent market cost expectation for 2023 is $0. BitTorrent presentation. BTT was initially made by developer Bram Cohen as a method for circulating huge records all the more proficiently. It immediately acquired prevalence because of its handiness for downloading pilfered films, music, and programming. This drove numerous ISPs to hinder BitTorrent traffic on their organizations, creating some issues for genuine clients too. Lately, be that as it may, BitTorrent has been embraced by many real organizations as a method for circulating huge documents, for example, programming updates and recordings. What is BitTorrent? BitTorrent is a decentralized record-sharing convention that permits clients to download documents from one another straightforwardly. BTT is not the same as conventional document sharing conventions like HTTP or FTP in that it doesn't need a focal server to have the records. All things considered, every client who needs to share a document makes a deluge record containing data about the record and transfers it to a tracker. The tracker then, at that point, monitors which clients are sharing the document and assists them with interfacing with one another. At the point when another client needs to download the record, they download the downpour document and open it in their BitTorrent client, associating them with different clients having a similar record. BitTorrent principal examination. While BTT is generally usually connected with robbery, it can likewise be utilized for authentic purposes, like sharing open-source programming or appropriating huge records that would somehow or another be challenging to move because of their size. The way into BTT's productivity is its capacity to break huge documents into more modest pieces and circulate those pieces across various clients. This swarm of seeders and leechers guarantees that every individual client just has to download a limited quantity of information from various sources instead of the whole record from a solitary source. This interaction all the while saves data transmission and decreases blockage on the organization, making BTT an appealing choice for both substance makers and customers. BTT is an altcoin that was made by the group behind BitTorrent to boost the utilization of the convention and assist with diminishing clog on the organization. BTT tokens can be utilized to buy better download paces or need-on downloads. They can likewise be utilized to pay for transfers, which assists seeders with bringing in cash for their commitments. BitTorrent current cost. BitTorrent is right now worth $0. BTT has moved 2.80% as of now with an exchanging volume of $14,066,580. BitTorrent is right now positioned 63 among all cryptographic forms of money with a market capitalization of $702,381,854 USD. Using the general strength list, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal combination difference from the outline above, we can decide cost designs for BitTorrent to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation conjectures utilize continuous BitTorrent market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost forecasts in light of current market action. BitTorrent value expectation 2023. BitTorrent, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing digital forms of money to rise this year. The BTT cost conjecture for 2023 expects a huge expansion in the year's last part, perhaps coming to $0. Similarly, as with other digital forms of money, the ascent will be steady, however no impressive drops are normal. Averaging $0 cost is very aggressive, yet it is possible soon given expected joint efforts and progressions. BTT is supposed to have a base worth of $0. BitTorrent value expectation 2024. In 2024, BitTorrent BTT cost expectation has a lot of space for extension. Because of the expected declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of BTT will before long outperform $0. Nonetheless, we ought to stand by to check whether the BTT's overall strength record emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, BTT will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $0, a typical exchanging cost of $0. BitTorrent value expectation 2025. Assuming the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach $0. BTT might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. BitTorrent value forecast 2026. In the event that BitTorrent effectively supports market opinion among digital money devotees, the BTT coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, BTT will be green in 2026. The BTT is supposed to reach and outperform its unsurpassed high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual cash will be valued at $0, with a base cost of $0, a typical cost of $0. BitTorrent value expectation 2027. After some broad determining and specialized examination, We gauge the BTT cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $0 2027, with a base cost of $0 before the year's end. Moreover, BTT has a greatest value worth of $0. BitTorrent Value Forecast 2028. Because representing things to come, organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $0. On the off chance that BTT figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a greatest cost of $0. Neglecting to assemble the help BTT needs by 2028 could bring about a low of $0. BitTorrent Value Forecast 2029. While BTT is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to rush connection, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been put at $0, a yearly cost close above $0 2029. BitTorrent Value Expectation 2030. By 2030, BitTorrent will at last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost level. The base cost could be $0, possibly arrive at a most extreme value worth of $0, averaging out at $0. BitTorrent Value Expectation 2031. The digital currency market is known to be profoundly unstable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost estimating is a troublesome errand. Makes an honest effort to conjecture future price tags with accuracy. But all forecasts ought not be taken as monetary counsel, and you should DYOR. In 2031, we are anticipating that digital money should have acquired reception across numerous areas. In that capacity, the greatest BTT cost in 2031 is projected to be $0 case of a bull run, with a typical value level of $0. And the truth will surface at some point. In any case, assuming you're pondering putting resources into this token, doing all necessary investigation and arrive at your conclusions is significant. Nobody can foresee the future with 100% exactness. Yet via cautiously thinking about all the accessible data, you can expand your possibilities pursuing an insightful venture choice. What is the BitTorrent cost today? Today, BitTorrent is exchanging at $0, a complete market capitalization of $702,381,854. Is BitTorrent a wise speculation? BitTorrent ended up being one of the most discussed coins in the crypto space this previous year. In view of this, it is savvy to say that BTT is a decent decision of speculation. How high could BitTorrent at any point go? The typical cost of BitTorrent might potentially reach $0 a year. Throughout the following 5 years, it is projected that BitTorrent might outperform $0. What amount will BitTorrent be worth in 5 years? In view of the rising fame of digital currency and BitTorrent, a drawn-out interest in BTT could see the value ascend to $0 the following 5 years. What amount will BitTorrent be worth in 10 years? In the event that you put resources into BitTorrent today, likewise with any speculation, a drawn-out increment is normal. The cost of BTT might actually ascend to $0 the following 10 years. What will the BitTorrent cost be in 2024?